basically the top of the canopy that came down on top of the bar. And you can see everything that got tousled and turned.
The only thing left at the Poorhouse Bar is the sign. Owner Greg Hunter says his place is a total loss.
We'll be rebuilding. There's nothing else to do. You know, we'll come in tomorrow and start clean up, and then it'll be a long process, I'm sure.
Many people in Siren are in the same boat. Cars flipped, trees and buildings flattened.
Every window in the house is broke, and the most of the damage was done to my Remax building, which is totally gone, completely gone, just gone. Everything is gone. Nothing but a lot left.
Those who lived through the storm say it all happened in less than 5 minutes.
I was sitting closest to the wall when the wall got ripped away, so I was being pulled out. My husband grabbed me by the arm and pulled me back into our living room, and then we just hid under the mattress in there with our dogs and didn't know what else to do.
As residents comfort one another, emergency crews plan their attack. They say, judging by the devastation, they have their work cut out for them.
It's hard to believe a little town could be wiped out in 10 minutes.
Julie Lamb is one of hundreds of volunteers cleaning up after Monday night's tornado.
I can't believe that, what was here is pretty much gone. It's just a lot of these buildings that are totaled were just built, and it's devastating.
Jeff Howe opened his business in Siren just over a year ago. Now he's just trying to save what he can.
Yeah, hopefully get it tore down here in the next few days and be ready to go. Not much else we can do.
David Close and his family are also picking up.
I got back from a bike ride about 5 minutes before the garage disappeared.
He had 2 daughters under 3 with him.
The sirens didn't go off. We have a warning siren, but it didn't go off. I had no idea that there was a tornado coming when I biked home. And my wife was out in the garage working, so we didn't know at all. We personally didn't have any warning, but